Hello and welcome back to my channel. This will be part 7 of the VW Polo project, and in this video we will be removing the cherry bomb exhaust at the back, and this will be partly a how-to, but I've also partly loosened everything so it can be knocked out as quick as possible. Hopefully this won't be too much of a long video this time round. And so yeah, basically the plan is to take the cherry bomber exhaust off, put the standard exhaust back on, and show you guys how I'll do that. I'll get it all set up now, and we'll get cracking with getting that job done. So yeah, today we will be putting this new exhaust on with nice new clamp as well. We will be putting the second exhaust bracket on, and we've got some exhaust assembly paste to join the end up with the current end that's on the car. Underneath the car though, quickly, we've got the cherry bomb exhaust that goes that there with that exhaust bracket just there. That then goes, let me just roll over this side. That then has that bracket there where it was cut off the old exhaust, and just roughly where that is on the other side you can see two holes in, try not to drop my phone, one hole just there and one hole just there. That's where the secondary bracket is going to go. It then goes over the subframe round there, and then you'll see, if I get further under the car, you will see that goes just there with the bracket holding it on to this part here. Like I said, I've already loosened that. So what we'll do is, that's a 13mm bolt. You would undo the 13mm bolt there on both sides. That then loosens this bracket. You push that out the way, and then with that, oh, that was easier than I was expecting. But that's nice, that makes a nice easy video. That comes out just like so, that leaves that loose. And then if I go back down to this end, right, we've got them two, have I just covered the camera? I think I have. We've got them two bolts just there, one there and one the other side, but I may not need to pull them off because I may be able to pull this bar straight out. Let's see if we can, just like so, and that means we can now get that completely out the way, like so. And gone. So that is the cherry bomb exhaust removed from the car. Nice and simple. So now we'll put that over here out the way. We will get, I'm not going to worry about the other clamp just yet, but we will get this new exhaust with the clamp. Remove the clamp for now, because otherwise it will possibly fall. Oh no, we won't remove the clamp. Right, we'll take that nice new clamp off for now. So what we need to do is we need to get this end through, where's my hand? Through there. So, and so we need to get this end through there. And we will do that in the sense of rotating it round, like so. And then the exhaust is actually upside down, but what we can do is twist it as we put it in, push it further over, twist it some more as we go in, lift the other end up, and that's that. And now we can pop this end into the rubber grommet, which should just go, give me a second while I hold this with the other hand. Right, so if I hold that up like so, Okay, it's give me a second, I'll get that done and bring you. So bring you back in now, and thanks to this wonderful gadget of WD-40, I have been able to lather that up with loads of WD-40 and slot that in nicely. The new exhaust clamp is on there. I'm not going to bolt that one up just yet because I still need to attach that end to there first. I have managed to also source a couple of bolts, out of my random bolts collection, which are going to fit in there nicely because it didn't have any bolts to put in there. So I'll do that in a second, but like I said, let's get this end put back together first. Right, so we will need exhaust paste, and we will also need me to move. We can't quite reach. So let's just, I'm going to try and hold you while I do this because I'm so low down the tripod wouldn't really fit under here anyway. If I squeeze some of this out and onto there, put loads on like so, I can then smother that round where it needs to be with the exhaust assembly paste all the way around the edge of that. Come on, pull round. Smother it all over to fill up the gaps. Scrape that onto there as well. Because I wear rolled trousers, I don't care about wiping it on my trousers just to clean the glove up a little bit. So that's that. That's the idea of wearing old clothes. That can now push onto there, he says, like so. And then I can then get that onto there, like so, right on the edge. I don't need the long extension on there. So we've got 13mm socket on the ratchet. Actually, let's do this up by hand first, so it grips, so then the ratchet won't be spinning so much. Just push that back. So that is right, so we're nearly done. Just give that a couple more turns on that side. Nice and tight. Now all we've got to do is, you can see just there we've got the exhaust bracket that goes up. We need to reposition that and put that in. Right, so I've got the two bolts that are going to go on this. These are 13mm bolts as well, and I need to get under here. Maneuver this about, and hopefully that will. Okay, I can't get it. Right, okay, I need a bigger extension, I think. Or what's going on here? No, I need to pull that forward a bit more. So that will now line up. Okay, so that's that. Right, so that one's now finally going in. He says. Yeah, I think that's finally going in. And then we've then got last one somewhere. Nope, okay, we're struggling. There we go, put that into there. I can't see where this is going, so I don't know if it's going in or not. I don't think it is. Yay, I finally got it. Right, so let's get you back off of here. So just to recap, we have removed cherry bomb exhaust from the car and we have installed nice and shiny new standard back box. And by installing that, we have put the exhaust bracket there, which needs straightening up a bit anyway, like so, which I didn't realise, so I've just done that. Nice exhaust bracket there. We've got an exhaust bracket just there with 2 replacement bolts in from my toolbox, and then we've then got a brand new clamp with some exhaust putty just to seal up any potential gaps from that joining onto there. So another job done. I hope you enjoyed this short little video of how to change the cherry bomb exhaust back to standard, and there's still plenty more to do on this, so there is going to be a few more parts. I'm just not entirely sure what the next job will be. I've got to put the wheels back on. I may do that off camera or I may do it on camera, I'm not entirely sure yet. And I've still got to do the airbag light, read the codes, find out why the horn ain't working, sort the headlights out and the indicator. So it's still a fair list of jobs to do. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like my content. If there's any questions you want to ask me, or if there's anything in general that you'd like to know about what I get up to, about this car or anything in general, don't forget to leave a comment. If you like my content and you also want to be kept aware of any up and coming content, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. But for now, I'm going to say bye and thank you for watching. Stay safe, guys, with all this coronavirus stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.